framing in context of your internal frame, and I would say it actually comes from an energetic perspective of understanding when emotions or things, anything, both internal and external, comes up, the frame that you internally occupy, which that cascades down to direct how you're leading, influencing women, children, whatever, your frame first. And inside of that space, to where I was talking about the exercising of it, staying grounded no matter how you're emotionally feeling, what I find is like a catalyst space, especially speaking to feminine partner, because that gives the daily growth areas and tests, the mirror. You get to look at yourself in life, and to where you pointed, the feminine of life circumstances are a space of feminine as well. To that, what I saw is dancing in the context of actually challenging and taking a look of asking why, and either finding my place to double down to what does work, why I'm doing it, or at least just holding tight when the conversations and the energy I'm feeling are, I'm not liking this isn't working. Like you said, you can shuffle around, but wait, let me stop and just being still. That grounding up, not needing to act or doing. And in partnership, what I've seen, same way you said to that, a God following the lead. And I think that's so powerful. God here on earth, like in the flesh, because you are, in your words, locally, what she's following to, creating the world she steps into, principles, values, morals, children, legacy, whatever. And to that, if what I see is that when I stay grounded energetically, what I'm looking for to be restored, or I'm looking for the softness to come back around, I'm looking for this response. When I stay grounded to not, I need to change, react, or so I'm not getting that. That's a reaction to, and not being able to response able to the situation, the feminine, internal or external. So that's the context when I speak to the masculine frame, maintaining, like it's basically the place it first starts. You know, if you're the director, you are literally in that way creating the world with your vision, your forecast, your context, point of view, words, language, energy first and foremost. And when it gets tested internally, you feel in the feels, holding to that, containing all that first internally, and how you respond. So when you have the choice of how to respond to getting in the feels and your dominion, your frame is tested. There's, the external challenge. Oh yeah, you feel that way? Cool. Right. I'm not shaken. I'm not bothered. And times where it is, I am feeling a certain type of way. Something is having me respond, or I don't like something. That choice to where I would normally default a reaction. Let me stop, ground, be peaceful, and choose how I respond.